O-U-G-H. Ow. Oh. Ah. I'm just going crazy. Doctor, can you help me pronounce these words? They all start with O-U-G-H, but they're pronounced differently. Ah, the O-U-G-H. English is full of these delightful surprises. So let's break them down, shall we? Sure, but I am not sure if I can handle more confusion than this. O-U-G-H. No worries, my dear. Let's start with the word though. Though. And it rhymes with go. Though, go. Though, go. I got it. But there is through, like true, correct? Exactly. You're getting the hang of it. Let's try another one. Thought rhymes with caught. Thought. Thought rhymes with caught. Thought, caught. Thought, caught. I got it. But there is tough, like rough. Tough, rough. And don't forget, bow rhymes with cow. Bow, cow. Bow, cow. It feels like a barnyard party in my head right now, doctor. Almost there. Enough rhymes with tough. Enough rhymes with tough. Enough rhymes with tough. Enough. Cough. Cough. Off. I feel like I need a nap after this. Drought rhymes with shout. Drought rhymes with shout. Drought, shout. Drought, shout. Drought, shout. I'm shouting out of frustration, Professor. And lastly, plow rhymes with cow. Plow rhymes with cow. Plow, cow. Plow, cow. I feel like I am in a barnyard again. Well, my friend, you are making great progress. Just remember, English is full of quirky words and sounds, words from different languages. Some of them are irregular. And the only way to practice is to practice them consistently. And the best way to perfect them is to keep practicing. Thanks, Professor. I guess I will keep practicing because this is the only way I will remember this barnyard party. Exactly. So keep up the good work and you will master these OUGH sounds in no time.